Cold showers, some say they're a life hack, others say they're torture. But what if they actually had real, measurable benefits, backed by science? Let's strip away the hype and dive into what really happens when you expose your body to cold water, and why it might be one of the most powerful habits you can build for your brain, mood, and health. First, let's talk about the brain. When cold water hits your skin, your body goes into shock mode. Your heart rate jumps, your breathing quickens, and your nervous system gets a jolt. But here's the surprising part. This sudden exposure activates the release of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. In fact, one study found that cold exposure can raise dopamine levels by up to 250%, and that elevated state can last for hours. That's a longer mood boost than caffeine, sugar, or even some medications. It's not just about waking up. It's about elevating your baseline mood. But it doesn't stop there. Cold showers stimulate a part of the brain called the locus coeruleus, which plays a key role in focus, alertness, and stress response. When you expose yourself to discomfort regularly, your brain adapts. You become more mentally resilient, more alert, and less reactive to daily stressors. In other words, facing cold water helps you face life better. Now let's talk metabolism. You've probably heard of brown fat, the metabolically active fat that burns calories to produce heat. Unlike white fat, which stores energy, brown fat is like your body's internal furnace. When you take cold showers regularly, you activate this brown fat, boosting your metabolic rate. Over time, this can lead to improved fat burning and better weight regulation, even if it's not a miracle solution on its own. But there's more. Cold exposure affects your immune system too. Research has shown that people who practice cold exposure, whether through showers or cold plunges, have higher counts of white blood cells and improved circulation. This helps your body defend itself against illness and inflammation. Cold water may also help reduce levels of C-reactive protein, a marker for chronic inflammation, which is linked to heart disease and other health conditions. And here's something most people overlook: the mental discipline it builds. Stepping into cold water every morning is not comfortable, but that's exactly the point. You train your brain to do hard things, to override the voice that says, stay in your comfort zone. And over time, this simple act of deliberate discomfort strengthens your willpower, your mental toughness, and your ability to handle stress without breaking. Cold showers aren't just about grit, they're a reset button for your nervous system. They activate the vagus nerve, which helps bring the body into a state of calm and recovery after stress. That's why many people report feeling not just energized, but also more grounded and emotionally balanced after a cold shower. Now let's be clear, cold showers aren't a cure-all. They won't replace a healthy diet, sleep, or exercise. And they're not for everyone. If you have certain heart or blood pressure conditions, always speak to your doctor before trying this. But for many people, just 60 seconds of cold water a day can trigger a cascade of physical and psychological benefits, from boosting mood and energy, to sharpening focus and building resilience, to supporting metabolism and immunity, all from something that's free, available at home, and takes less than a minute. So are cold showers really worth it? The science says yes, and the best part? You don't have to dive in all at once. Start with 15 seconds at the end of your normal shower and build up. Your brain and body will adapt faster than you think. If you're ready to challenge yourself and feel the difference, give it a try. And track how you feel over the next few weeks. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Active Intent for more science-backed wellness videos every week. Fuel your body, feed your mind. Thanks for watching.